Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make Nigerian Akara, so stay tuned to the end of this video. So to begin, I'm using black eye beans and it has been soaked for like 4 hours. So what I just did is to add it in my blender and add some water and just blend it a little bit and start washing out the back. As you can see, the back is just peeling out after the blending. So to continue, I'll just keep on washing the beans and filtering it to make sure all the backs are out. You know, the difficult part in making akara is to peel out the skin. So to make that easy, that is why I use my blender. And that is the only easy way to peel out the back without spending the whole day just because you are making akara. So guys, continue watching. So guys, right now I'm done washing the beans. As you can see, I will just go ahead and blend the beans in my blender. But before that, I'm going to make sure I add some water to blend. So keep watching, guys. So guys, I'm done blending the beans, and here is the onions I'm going to use with my Scotch bonnet pepper. What I will do next is to wash it and use my hand blender to blend it. As you can see, I wash it and make sure I slice it into small pieces before blending it with my hand blender. So that is it, guys. Continue watching. So after blending this, the next is to just pour in the beans inside and add all the seasonings I need to add. Right now I'm just adding in my red chili pepper. I decided to use red chili pepper. You can also use fresh pepper if you want, because my fresh pepper is very sharp and I wouldn't want it to be too hot for my kids. So right now, as you can see, I'm just adding Maggi seasoning. You can add any Maggi seasonings of your choice. This is optional, guys. I decided to try it out. I added a little bit of curry powder. So that is it, guys. The next is to stir it and start frying the akara. Next is to put my pot on the fire and add in the amount of cooking oil I need. Guys, I decided not to use a lot of oil. Akara needs a lot of oil when frying it, but because oil is scarce right now in Germany, I don't know about your country, like seriously guys, so I have to manage my oil. Yes guys, this is real. We can hardly see oil in the market to buy, and even when you see one to buy, is so expensive. Yes, that is true, guys. And before I forget, guys, take note, your oil must be hot enough before you start frying it. I mean, you must leave your oil on the fire to heat enough before you start frying the akara. So before I forget, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you are my OG subscriber, I see you. Thank you guys so much. So guys, I believe I have come to the end of this video because I don't want this video to be too long. So if you enjoy watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye.
Yo.